Hey, welcome or welcome back to My Life on a Budget. Y'all, this video is gonna be real quick, baby, because I got some Happy Meals from my girl over at SavenStuffw with Stephanie. So, baby, we're gonna, show y'all what I got. I done looked at it already, child. But we're gonna show you what I got. And this video not gonna be that long. So, if you wanna jump into my little old Happy Meal from my girl Lala, and stay tuned. Okay, so boom, y'all stay tuned. Clearly that means, this thing. Clearly that means you want to check out what my girl done sent me, child. Miss Girl SavenStuffw with Stephanie. She makes her own little stickers or whatever the case might be. I love her little stickers that she be making with her little dolls, baby. Let's make sure we covering up everybody's information, child. So let me open it up. She sent me a cute little card, baby, just to know. And it got some cute little can y'all see that cute little hearts on it? Cute. She sent me some stickers. Thank you for being a loyal subby. Best regards, Stephanie. Hey, Tracy, girl, she didn't spell my name right, but we not gonna say that, girl. Tracey. No, because people do not be spelling my name right. I love her. She know I'm talking my shit. Cause look, she said, hope you enjoy your stickers. Don't do me like you did Kellyanne. Girl, cause she know I'm talking my ish. I wouldn't be me if I didn't talk my ish. I whatever. Okay, so let me show y'all, girl. Because she had some stickers. So when y'all see me posted up in my book, baby, get where y'all know where they came from. I think she also have a Ko-Fi shop as well. So if she's selling stickers on a Ko-Fi shop, y'all make sure y'all go check that out, baby. I need to use this now. Okay, hello, we in October. What the hell, Lee? That's cute. Ha! Definitely need to use her. That need to go on my bills, baby. No spin. Cute. What's in your wallet? Okay. Okay. Her little doll. Yeah. Come on, Bets. Baby, she sent me some good stuff. Come on, clock it. Baby, because I don't say clock it. You know mine is a silent applause. That's what that's for. So I be when I do mine. First of all, I don't do it like this. I do it when I do nail click. It's like this, baby. And when it's a silent applause, so I mean to whatever you said, like dead part. When I say mine, when I do that, baby, that's dead part, not clock it. But I love this clock it, and I love that she got the nails on there, baby. Because that is so on trend. That's what everybody's saying. That's what everybody doing right now. Clock the T, clock the T, clock the T. Yes, baby. Okay, come on, Halloween doll. She cute. I like her, girl. Come on, clock it. You see how she got them shades? Kellyanne needs to say, girl, don't. She said, don't. Oh, she said, don't do me like I did. Because Kellyanne needs to look at your stuff, girl. At least you know how to do the shade. Girl. She got a like button right there. She gave me a big doll, so when y'all see me using them, baby, y'all know that those is from Stephanie and baby. Those is from Stephanie and baby. Okay, so she gave me a spin. Cute. 2025 great lock-in. Love it. End of month. Come on. Another spin. Another no spin. Yes. Oh, now these are cute. These little shopping ones. I love these, y'all. These little shopping carts. Cute. So, maybe thank you so much, my girl, Lala, Miss Stephanie, and honey. It's not Stephanie, it's SavenStuffw still. Y'all know I would give somebody a name, child. Y'all know I would give somebody a name, child. Go over there and check out Miss SavenStuffw with Stephanie, baby. Go check her. I tell her that the Budget Baes sent you. I love my girl, la, honey. We have been locked in from the time that we started doing the little, you know, the budget since she got on, because I had been doing the budget already, but I wasn't full time into it. And baby, since we have came across each other, I have really enjoyed my girl, and I really enjoy her stuff. So y'all go check her out, and I appreciate her down, baby. And you, honey, for you, thank you so much. I appreciate you, my girl. You know, I really did know that it is love as far as you are concerned, baby. And so I got something for you. It's going out this week with my winter stuff, okay? So, yeah, be on the lookout for that. All right, y'all. Until next time, my life on a budget. Bye.